Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin and you're watching Likeable Cocktails. Now welcome back to another edition of Classic Concepts. On today's episode, we are going to dive into the world of Tiki Cocktails. Now I absolutely love Tiki Cocktails. I mean, the rum, the fresh fruit juice, the insane garnishes, all of it just makes me so happy. So for today's classic concept, we are going to take the classic Tiki cocktail, the Jungle Bird, and rework it into a cocktail that I'm calling the City Pigeon. Now the Jungle Bird is a quintessential Tiki cocktail. It's got everything we love about Tiki culture. It's super booze forward yet approachable. It's fresh and fruity with a little bit of bitterness. It's easy to make and it's even easier to drink. Now for our City Pigeon, I kind of wanted to take the same approach, having it be booze forward yet approachable, a bit fresh and fruity, and a little bit bitter. Like any good Tiki cocktail, we are going to start with some rum. Now I'm actually going to do the rum with a split base here. I'm going to use 1 full ounce of Zacapa rum, so any aged rum or dark rum that you have at home, and 1 full ounce of Ciroc coconut, a flavored vodka that's really going to add a little bit of depth to this cocktail. So let's get started here with 1 full ounce of Zacapa rum. And then 1 full ounce of our Ciroc coconut. Now to add a slight bit of bitterness to this cocktail, like you would find in a Jungle Bird, instead of using Campari, I'm going to switch over to Amaro. So I'm going to be using a local Amaro here to enhance those rich flavors that you find in the rum itself, but also enhance some of the other notes we're going to put in with our fruit juice and our fresh citrus. So we're going to have a ½ ounce of Amaro right into our shaker tin. Now to tie all of our base spirits together, we're going to need a little bit of sugar. Now instead of just using a plain white sugar simple syrup, what I did was I made a coconut sugar simple syrup. Now the coconut sugar is made from the sap from the coconut tree. This is really going to bring in some of that rich flavor that we need to balance this all out. It's really easy to make, again just like your simple syrup, and equal parts 1:1, 1 part coconut sugar and 1 part water, and it's really delicious. It's kind of got like a nose of say like a molasses or a brown sugar, and this is going to go great into our cocktail here. So we're going to be using a ½ ounce of our coconut sugar simple syrup. Now to take us to the tropical side of our Tiki drink, we're going to be adding in some pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is great in Tiki cocktails, or just any cocktails really. It adds a bit of body and base. When you shake up a cocktail using pineapple juice, you almost get that texture like you would from an egg white. It gets nice and foamy and it makes the drink really silky smooth. So we are going to be adding 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Now to offset all of that sugar and that base spirit, we need a little bit of citrus. So we're going to use a ½ ounce of lime juice right into our shaker tin. Now to enhance all of our flavors and tie it all together, I'm going to be adding 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Now let's ice this up and give it a good hard shake for about 10 seconds. Now if you have a funky Tiki glass at home, definitely use that. If not, a Collins glass will do. So we're going to load this up with ice and fine strain our cocktail into our glass. Now to make this really tiki, we're going to lay a bit of crushed ice right on top of our glass here. So take your kitchen towel, put some ice in the center of it, wrap it up tight, and give it a good whack with either a kitchen mallet, the back of a frying pan, whatever you have. Now to bring this full circle back to our Jungle Bird cocktail where this City Pigeon got its inspiration from, I'm actually gonna dash a few drops of Campari right on top of our crushed ice. Now as the ice melts, the Campari is gonna slowly drip through the cocktail and add just a touch more bitterness. This is really gonna make an impact in your cocktail. So let's add our straw. And always a whimsical garnish when it comes to tiki cocktails. And there you have it, your City Pigeon. Cheers. So remember to hit like, follow, and subscribe for more cocktails here on Likeable Cocktails.